Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Today we going to see how to break or reset or forget or crack Tally data password, how to recover our Tally password. This add-on helps to recover Tally data password. Three types of process is available. First we will see one by one. First process, we don't know any username and password. If we don't know any username password, we create one dummy company and replace company.900 file to old company. First see this flow. We go to Getty of Tally, we copy Tally data, we select company, ABC Company Limited, admin. We don't know any username and password. First we create one company and going we create first one company, dummy company, we don't want to give any security control from this company. We save this, then we create some dummy transaction, we enable some features also. To replace the Control C, go to release 3.2. If you will degrade the data, it will not accept your information because of the file is encrypted. You need to take this password and paste it there, export. Go to that folder, open that folder, copy that password field values, Control C, paste it, you press B, username, paste it, Control Alt V, it will open that company. You will check the data also, display daybook, all data is available. Then you go to Tally, it will show admin username A and password this file is encrypted file. They will using encryption method. and B also this password, C also this password. You will export this and use username C and paste it. Then you go to Tally. You can alter the data, Alt F3. We export this first. Select company, export. We receive admin data, admin cost. Yes. Admin username is A and password is encryption format. We copy the encryption format, go to Gateway of Tally, Alt F1, select company, press A and press copy that file. It will open. Then you check the data, alter. You will change which name you want. A and Alt V, old password. Save it. Then go to security control. Here also data is available. If we will doing first method, the user security control all are removed. If doing this, your all data is available, but you need to change this password. B C, then save it. Then you copy that folder, you backup this folder first, or copy folder, and F1, select method 3 company limited. This version is Tally version 3.2. We copy that folder, method 3, copy and paste it outside, paste. Then we go to this path, Control C, go to Gateway of Tally, open release 6.4.6 and above release you can use. Select company, select that path, ABC Limited is done. Then select, we put on A and A. It will ask rewrite your company data backup. Yes. If you want to take backup, then you give backup path also. Yes. That it will be uploaded. Migration process, all it will going, and all the transactions will be done within 10 to 15 seconds. If you want customization, contact us. If you want customization, command your mail ID below the command box. Thank you for watching. If you want customization, contact us agstechedge@gmail.com. Thank you guys.